AWS offers Amazon RDS for MySQL, a fully managed service that simplifies database deployment and management in the cloud. It handles tasks like backups, patching, and scanning automatically. This allows businesses to focus on deployment while ensuring high availability and security for their databases. In this session, I will give you a short demo about how to log in on AWS and how to create MySQL database on AWS RDS service. First, we have to log in on Amazon site. This is Amazon console. Let me log in on Amazon console. This is the console page for the Amazon. Just click on sign in. Click sign in using root user. Now I have successfully logged in with Amazon console home. This is Amazon console home. First I have to go click on the console. This is my console home. Then I have to click on all services. And I want to move on the database RDS. Just click on RDS. This is the console for Amazon RDS. Click on database instances. Now I want to create now from this screen I want to create a new database. Just click new database. These are the types for the Amazon. So in now I am going to create the database for MySQL. Click on MySQL. The addition MySQL community. This is engine version 8. Now just click on create database. Currently my MySQL database is being creating on Amazon AWS site. Now database has been created successfully. View connection detail. This is my endpoint